think that might be a brown thrasher. Doing a little bit of a nature trail this morning. Going out for a little walk into the jungle. The sheet idea was brilliant, and the fan. We slept pretty good last night, actually. We're just walking slow because we don't want to step on any snakes. Look at, there's big brown bats apparently, according to this sign. I didn't see any bats last night. Looks like there used to be something back there. There's a bench and stuff, but it's all kind of overgrown at this point. All right, made it to the dock here in the water. It's Guale Village at 7 Mile Bend. All right, made it to the end of the trail here. I just had to check the watch. It's only 1.3 miles. So by the time we get back to our camp, it'll be a little bit under 2 miles, but you know, it's a good start for the day. We'll probably do some more walking and some more hiking later. And yeah, people are starting to leave. We're about to leave and go back to Savannah before we head down into Florida. Back in Savannah. Back downtown Savannah, Georgia. We're back in Savannah. There's an ambulance coming, or... Hold on, I'll stop for them. Tomochichi's grave. One of the bravest heroes in American history, Tomochichi. There's a lot of cool stuff. We're just still walking around downtown and trying to get some photos too, along with some good footage. People are getting hopefully not too frustrated with me as I take my time crossing the street here. Made it back to the truck. Crossing the St. Mary's River.
That's a good sign.
And yeah, we're coming up
to Florida.
Into Florida. Florida welcomes you. That's right, we've reached the magical land that is Florida. Hanging out at the Florida sign. We're at the Florida, what is this place called? Florida State Welcome Center. Just crossed over the border. Just taking a break on our way to St. Augustine. wall of a old fort. Something like that. The colonial experience in St. Augustine. Alright guys. Nice looking town so far though. We're going across the Bridge of Lions in St. Augustine, Florida. It took us about 10 minutes to get onto the bridge because it was up, it had to let a ship under. But we finally got on. We're going across. The view on this side. And our campground, our state park is this way. We're almost there. That was the Bridge of Lions, and there's some lions over there. We made it to Anastasia State Park, which is where we're staying here in St. Augustine. We're just trying to check in right now. There's a little bit of a line to check in, but we're gonna get checked in, go check out our spot. And then once we get to our spot and kind of settled a little bit, we're gonna go check out the water. Yeah, look at this guy. He's just hanging out. For the state park campground itself is actually really nice. There are gopher tortoises in the area. We're hoping to see some gopher tortoises. Hoping to see some alligator. I did actually see a tortoise on the drive-in. North Carolina, Atlantic Ocean. Been to South Carolina, Atlantic Ocean. Now we're in Florida. It's not even sand, it's just shells. It's just broken shells. As we make our way. People on surfboards. There really wasn't any surfing going on at Myrtle Beach because the waves were teeny tiny. Waves out here are a little bigger, a little stronger, a little more dangerous. Found a tortoise on the side of the road, one of the gopher tortoises.